Okay, fam, I'm at Walgreens finally to do a little couponing. Because I need some laundry detergent. And of course, they don't have any of their tags up that says you will get your register reward. But if you buy 2 of these, I'm gonna do the Colgate deal. I'm starting with 0 register rewards. They $4.50 each, so that's $9. I have a 3 off 2 digital that's gonna come off. That's gonna leave me with $6 to pay out of pocket, but I'm gonna get a $5 register reward back, which means these is gonna be 50 cents each. Okay, I'm gonna do the Crest deal also, which they don't have no tags up, but these are on sale for $3.50 a piece. So I'm gonna get 2 of these. That's gonna be $7 out of pocket. And I have a 3 off 2 digital that's gonna come off, so I'm gonna pay 4 out of pocket. But I'm gonna get back a $4 register reward, which means these is gonna be 50 cents each. Okay, fam, I'm at CVS. I had went to Walgreens thinking that they had the Tide $5.49 when you buy 4. You get a $5 register reward. That didn't work out, but I did do the Colgate and the Crest deal. So I'm coming to CVS. They have these Arm & Hammers, $1.99 each. I'm starting with $4 in ECB, so I'm gonna get that. I'm thinking about doing this deal on a Palmolive. Buy one, get one 50% off. And when you buy 2, you get a $2 extra buck. I wonder, do I have any digitals? Let me check and see, fam. Okay, I think I'm gonna do this deal right here, because I looked on my app and I got a $2 off 12. So I'm gonna get these. This is $4.49, and then it'll be half of that $4.49, and I get that $2 extra buck back. And then I'm gonna buy 3 of the Arm & Hammer, $1.99 each. I'm starting with $4 in ECB. Okay, fam, with me doing, I added the Snuggle in there because you know I got that 2 off 12. So with me doing the Arm & Hammer deal plus the Palmolive dish liquid and get the Snuggle, after my $4 in extra bucks come off, I'm gonna pay $10.70 out of pocket, but I'm gonna get back that $2 in extra buck for that. So this actually is going to cost me $8.70 subtotal out of pocket. That is not bad. I'm getting laundry detergent, 3 of those, dish detergent, 2 of those, and dryer sheets. Great, 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 great deal. So let's check out. Okay, fam, I done made it home from Walgreens and CVS. Now, I'm going to tell you about the hiccup that I had at Walgreens when I went to do the Tide deal, the $5.49 deal. I had to do a return because I didn't get my register reward back, and the digitals that was attaching to the product, when it came to checkout, it didn't attach to the product. So I had to do a refund and give me my money back, because I wasn't going to pay that price for it, and I'm going to show you at the end. But this the first transaction that I did. I did the Colgate deal. Buy 2, you get a $5 register reward. I did the Crest deal. Buy 2, you get a $3 register reward. So, with that being said, this was $4.50, this was $4.50. This was $3.50, this was $3.50. My subtotal came up to $16. I had a 3 off 2 digital here, 3 off 2 digital here. That was $10 for me to pay out of pocket. And I got back my $5 register reward here. I got back my $3 register reward here, which left this to be $2 for 4 toothpaste. This right here was a 50 cent each. 50 cent each. So let's look at my receipt. Alright, there's my receipt. See, my subtotal was $10 after the 3 off 2 digitals came off. I paid 10 subtotal out of pocket, but I got back the $5 register reward for here and a $3 register reward for here, which made these $2. Great, 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 great deal for toothpaste. Now, I'm going to show you with the Tide deal, it didn't work out. So I'm going to show you they had to do me a refund. Okay, fam, this is the Tide deal that I was doing. You see that $5 digital and that $3 digital, that's my register reward from that right there. And you see the $1.05 digital came off and $1 came off. The other $2 didn't come off. And I asked her why, because it was attaching to the product. She said that she did not know. So after I had paid for it, I thought about it. I said, no, I'm going to just do a refund because my register reward didn't come off. Neither did, my register reward didn't print out. Neither did my $2 digitals. So I couldn't get the $5 and a $3 register reward back. So they added to my refund, and I'm going to show it to you. Okay, this is where they had to refund it back on my card. Because I don't know what's going on with Walgreens. But sometimes I coupon on Sunday and sometimes I don't. And I haven't been to Walgreens for a minute. But let's look at the deals I did at CVS. Okay, here's the deal that I did at CVS. They have the Arm & Hammer small ballers, $1.99 a piece. This Snuggle, that glare, 70 count, $3.99. They had the Palmolive dish detergent. Buy one, get one 50% off, and then you get a $2 extra buck back. I started with $4 in extra bucks, as I told you guys. So let's look at my receipt. All right, here's my receipt. You see the 2 off 12 that I had, the $4 in extra buck, and that 2% back, 14 pennies. My subtotal was $10.70 for all this. No, $10.55 for all of this. And I got back my $2 in extra bucks, which made this $8.55. You cannot beat that, fam. You cannot not beat that. So anytime that you having a hiccup with couponing, it's okay to do a return. Because we're couponing to save money, not to just spend money just to spend it. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification bell on so you know when I upload another video. And to add all of this up, let's see how much I spent today. Okay, between CVS and Walgreens, with this being $10 out of pocket, this right here being $10.55 out of pocket, getting back 8 here, getting back 2 here, the grand total was $20.55. We're getting my extra bucks back and my register reward. Only spent $10.55 between 2 stores, fam. 2 stores. So you cannot beat that. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification bell on so you know when I upload another video. And Walgreens gave me, what is this? Spend 30, get 7 in WAG cash, and I got to the 4th of next month. We'll see what we can come up with. We'll see what we can come up with. Y'all have a blessed Sunday. Thumbs up, fam. Until the next video. Bye-bye.